Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change birthday on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your birthday on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your birthday. And on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your Bitmoji icon or your Snapchat avatar. Tap on that. And over here at the top right corner of the screen again, tap over there on the gear or the settings icon. And over here you can see your birthday just below your username. Tap on birthday, and over here you can see your birthday where you will edit it, and it also says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times. Tap on it and tap or edit your birthday according to your wish. And after that, after editing your birthday, this continue button will be available for you. Tap on it, and here it says guys, my birthday is this and I'm this year old. And if you tap on OK button guys, your birthday on Snapchat will be changed. And guys, this is how you change your birthday on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.